trig question. So we want to solve this equation, and we're going to need to simplify it, and we are told to use the half angle identities. So that's a good clue. So we'll use the half angle formulas for the tangent. It comes in two different forms. So those are the two. We're also going to use the Pythagorean identity, and then need to know there that you can rearrange it like that. All right, now it's not entirely obvious which one of the half angle formulas is going to be the most convenient. As you work through these, you'll start to see which one's going to work. I used the first one and I realized I wasn't really getting anywhere. And then I decided to use the second one, and it was much easier. Okay. So we're going to use the second half angle identity there. All right. Our equation. And we'll substitute that half angle identity like so. This is just algebra here. We're going to multiply out the brackets like so. Then you'll notice that the 8 cosine x is going to cancel because you have a negative and a positive. So it's simplifying. Here would be to get this in terms of one trig function. Much easier to solve then. All right. Now, hopefully you're seeing where we're headed. Pull the 8 out, and you have 1 minus cosine squared. And that's where we're going to use the Pythagorean identity. So that's equal to sine squared. And it's simplifying very nicely. So we'll cancel out a sine and divide by 8. And we have now an answer for sine x. Okay. So, of course, there are more than one answer. Right? An infinite number of angles that will give us that value of 1/8 for the sine. Okay, we're only going to look from 0 to 360. So let's take a look at the unit circle. And see which angles give us a sine of 1/8. This first one is there. So this you'll get from your calculator, the inverse sine of 1/8, and it will give you 7.2 degrees. Okay, so that's our reference angle. Okay, now we have more than one answer. The sine is also positive in the second quadrant. This is our next answer, and we're 7.2 degrees short of 180. Okay, so that's our second answer, 7.2 degrees short of 180. Okay, so you need to know where it is positive in the first and second quadrants. This will give you your next answers. Remember, the calculator can only give you one answer. Okay. All right. I hope that was helpful.